Good afternoon, children. On the day I have gone when I started the video from quadratic equations, I completed two problems. One problem from that train problem, and another one I have completed the problem from that tap problem, two taps filling water. That problem we completed. And again, one more important problem. This is a board exam question. Therefore, I want to solve that problem here. Okay. And again, from quadratic equations, 2 or 3 problems I will solve it. And after that, we can continue from the other topics. We can continue. Okay. First one. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometer between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train, if the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour, more than that of the passenger train, find average speed of the two trains. This is a very important problem, dear children. This problem now, they asked 1 or 2 times in the board exam, and one board preparatory they have asked this problem. Okay, I'll read out the problem once again. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour, more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of two trains. Okay, dear children, now what you have to do is, first you have to get the speed of the passenger train. You have to first we assume that the speed of the passenger train will be equal to x km per hour. Okay, that's the first step. Let the speed of the train equal to x km per hour. We are assuming that the speed of the passenger train equal to x km per hour. Now what they have given? An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel, and again express train is 11 km more than that of the passenger train. Okay, dear children. Therefore, you will get then the average speed of the average speed of the express train will be equal to x plus 11 km per hour. Okay, now you have to find the time taken. You know the distance 132 km. Okay, therefore you must find the time taken now. Okay, time taken by the passenger train you have to find. Again you have to find time taken by the express train. Okay, next step. Time taken one thirty two divided by x hours. Okay, because 132 distance by speed. Okay, that's the 132 divided by x hours you will get. Okay, now time taken by the express train. Equal to 132 divided by x plus 11 hours. Okay, dear children, these are the basic steps whenever in the board exam or any exam. Suppose you are just seeing one problem, first you have to read the problem carefully, then you have to write what are things given, what you have to assume, that also you have to think. Here what we have assumed, that the speed of the passenger train is x km per hour, that we have assumed. Already they have given speed of the express train is 11 km more. Therefore, that's why we have taken here x plus 11. And again, next step, what we are finding is time taken by the passenger train we are finding here. And again, we are finding time taken by the express train. Okay. Now, after assuming and getting all these things, now we have to go to the final condition. What is the final condition here, dear children? See here, an express train takes 1 hour less. 1 hour less they are given. Therefore, the problem is like this now. 132 divided by x plus 11 will be equal to 132 divided by x minus 1. 132 divided by x minus 1 you will get. Okay. Now we have to take the LCM for the right hand side. I will do it here. Here there is no place. I will continue here. Okay. Now you can see here, dear children, to take the LCM for the right hand side. Therefore, you will get 132 divided by x plus 11 will be equal to 132 minus x divided by x. 132 minus x divided by x you will get. Okay. Next, just cross multiply. You will get 132x will be equal to, just here you will get 4 terms. If you multiply this and this, you will get this term into this and this into this and this. Okay. Therefore, totally 4 terms you will get. Therefore, you will get 132x plus 132 into 11, you will get 1452 minus x square minus 11x. Now 132x will get cancelled. 132x will get cancelled. Bring all these 3 terms to this side. Therefore, you will get x square plus 11x minus 1452 will be equal to 0. Okay, dear children, once again. Okay, therefore, just minus x square is there now. Minus x square comes this side, it will become plus x square. Minus 11x comes this side, it will become plus 11x. And plus 1452 comes this side, it will become minus 1452. Okay, now you have to find the factors. Minus 1452. Already I told the method for you. You have to go on dividing and you have to combine the numbers. Okay. If you factorize, you will get 44 and minus 33. You will get the factors 44 and minus 33. How to get the factors? Then you can spend time in your home and you can try to get the factors. Okay, dear children. Okay, now if you multiply these two numbers, you will get this number. If you add these two numbers, you will get plus 11. You have to get plus 11. Okay. Now you will get therefore x is equal to 33 km per hour. Because already I told you in the previous class, whenever you get the factors, okay, the answers you will get with the opposite sign. Therefore, if it is 44 here, whenever you bring this side, whenever you take the minus sign, it will become minus 44. It is minus 33. Whenever you bring this side, it will become plus 33. Therefore, x equal to 33 km per hour is the answer. Therefore, what is this x value we have taken here? Speed of the passenger train is 33 km per hour and speed of the express train. Therefore, last step I write it here. Speed of passenger train equal to 33 km per hour and speed of express train will be equal to 44 km per hour. That is the answer. Okay, dear children, solving this equation, then you can do it because already you know that how to solve it. Therefore, you can do that. Just solving 2 or 3 steps you will get. That you can solve it and try to get the answer. Okay, dear children, this is a very important problem. Okay, once again I will tell you. After reading the problem, first we assume that the speed of the passenger train is x km per hour. Average speed already they are given. It is 11 km per hour. It is more. Therefore, x plus 11 km per hour. Next, we are finding the time taken by the passenger train 132 by x. Time taken by the express train 132 divided by x plus 11. Next, finally, we are going for the condition. minus 1, it takes 1 hour less. Therefore, just take, 1 hour less, yes. Therefore, 132 by x plus 11, take the LCM, you will get the answer. Okay, dear children, this is an important problem. Go on practicing. Totally, I have completed only 3 problems now. All these problems, go on practicing. It will be very useful for you for your board exam. Okay. Next problem, we'll do it. Okay, next problem, dear children. Some of the areas, second one, sum of the areas of two squares, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square they are given. If the difference of their perimeters, if the difference of their perimeters, is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Find the sides of the two squares. Okay, dear children, first you have to draw the two squares. I will draw it. First we will draw one big square. Let the side of the length of the side of the square be x and x and x, and we will take one more small square of y, and y. You know that the area of this square is given by the formula a square. Okay, therefore, what is the first line you can say? Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. Therefore, area of the first square, it will become x square, and area of the second square, it will become y square. Okay. Therefore, sum of these two squares, you will get x square plus y square equal to 468. X square plus y square equal to 468. Okay. Now, we have to go. Next condition is if the difference of the perimeters. Okay. Therefore, perimeter of the first square, perimeter of the first square equal to, perimeter of the first square equal to, you will get 4x. Perimeter of the first square, it will become 4x, and perimeter of the second square equal to 4y. Okay, dear children, next one, what they gave, what's the second condition? If the difference of the perimeters is 24 meters, therefore you will get 4x minus 4y equal to 24. 4x minus 4y equal to 24. Okay, now 4 is common, you can just divide the full equation by 4. Therefore, dividing by 4 will get x minus y equal to 6. X minus y will be equal to 6. Now, from this equation, we will get x is equal to 6 plus y. Minus y comes to other side, it will become plus y. Therefore, you can mark this as 1, this as 2. Now, substituting 2 in 1. This value of x and substituting in 1. Therefore, you will get 6 plus y, the whole square, plus y square will be equal to 468. Okay, children, now you have to expand the first term by using the identity a plus b, the whole square. Therefore, you will get 36 plus y square plus 12y plus y square equal to 468. Okay, dear children, now we can see y square plus y square, you will get 2y square plus 12y, and if you bring this 468 to this side, you will get minus 8 minus 6, you will get 2, 3, 432 will be equal to 0. You will get 2y square plus 12y minus 432 equal to 0. Okay, dear children, now here you can see 2 is common. They can divide the full equation by 2. Therefore, you will get, dividing by 2, you will get y square plus 6y minus 216 will be equal to 0. The same way, the factors of minus 216, okay, you will get 18 and minus 12, okay. Therefore, 18 and minus 12, you can take the factors 18 and minus 12. The same way, dear children, here 18, it will become minus 18 in the final answer, minus 12, it will become plus 12. Therefore, we will get y is equal to 12 is the answer. Now we have to substituting y equal to 12 into substituting y equal to 12 into, we will get x will be equal to 18. X will be equal to 18. Therefore, value for x will be equal to 6 plus 12, you will get 18. Okay, dear children. Therefore, the side of the smaller square is 12 and the side of the bigger square it is 18. Okay, if you find what is the 18 square? 18 square is nothing but 324. And what is 12 square? 144. If you add, you will get 468. That's the answer. You can check here. We got 468. X square plus y square equal to 468. That is the problem they have given. Okay. These types of problems, word problems in quadratic equation, in the exams they will ask for 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay. Therefore, you have to be very perfect and you must read all the example problems also. Example problems are very, very important in the board exam. From the example problems, they will ask nearly 10 to 15 marks from the example problems only. Therefore, so many students, what I am saying is, they don't solve example problems, they only solve exercise problems. That is a wrong thinking what you are having. Okay, dear children, you have to work out all the exercise problems, all the example problems, then only you can aim for 100 out of 100 marks in mathematics. Okay, dear children, that's a very important problem. This is also a very important one. Okay, now for example, I have just solved 4 problems, word problems, and the remaining problems you can, it's easy, you can do it. And again, 2 more problems I want to solve it for that big problems will be there. Okay, that is with the fractions problems will be there to solve for x solving. Okay, that 1 or 2 problems I will solve it. Then we can close this class. Okay, therefore I'll run this one. Find the roots. Okay, find the roots. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 will be equal to 11 by 30. Okay, dear children, these types of problems, okay, you can select from the board exam questions. You can take previous year's board exam questions. Okay, in that you can see such type of problems. Whatever they have given, you can try to solve it. It will be very useful for you. You may get for 2 marks or even 3 marks also. Okay, that depends upon the person who is preparing the question paper. Okay, now for this problem, you have to take the LCM. LCM will be, you have to multiply both the denominators. Okay, therefore you will get like this: x plus 4 into x minus 7. Okay, now this denominator divided by this denominator, x plus 4 will get cancelled. The remaining number is x minus 7. This x minus 7 into 1, you will get x minus 7 minus, okay. Again, this denominator by this denominator, it will get cancelled, you will get x plus 4. X plus 4 will be equal to 11 by 30 you will get. What will you get? Equal to 11 by 30. Now, you have to open this bracket now. Minus sign is common to both the numbers, okay. Therefore, you will get here x minus 7 minus x minus 4 divided by, here you can multiply term by term, x into x, you will get x square, x into minus 7, you will get minus 7x, 4 into x, you will get 4x, minus 7x plus 4x, you will get minus 3x and minus 28. 4 into minus 7, it is minus 28, okay, equal to 11 divided by 30. Okay, next step, this x and minus x, you can cancel it. Okay, therefore here you will get minus 7 minus 4, therefore you will get minus 11 divided by x square minus 3x minus 28 will be equal to 11 by 30. Okay, dear children, now you can just see this one. Here numerator 11 is there, you can cancel it. 11 and 11 you can cancel. Now you can cross multiply. Therefore you will get x square minus 3x minus 28 will be equal to minus 13. Because here on minus sign is there. This minus, if you multiply with this 30, you will get minus 30. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to bring this minus 30 to this side. Therefore you will get x square minus 3x plus 30 minus 28, you will get plus 2 will be equal to 0. Plus 2 will be equal to 0. Okay, dear children. Okay, now x square minus 3x plus 2 will be equal to 0. The factors for 2. Okay, the factors for 2, you will get minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, if you multiply these two numbers, minus 2 and minus 1, you will get plus 2. Okay, and again if you add these two numbers, minus 2 and minus 1, you will get minus 3. Therefore, the value for x is equal to 2 and 1. Both the numbers you will get, because both are negative here, you will get both the answers, both the factors you will get x equal to plus 2 and x equal to minus 1. Okay. How we are getting it? Here is just within 3 steps you will be knowing it. Okay. Therefore x square minus 2x now we can write this one as x square minus x minus 2x plus 2 will be equal to 0. From the first two terms you can take x outside, x minus 1. From these two terms you can take minus 2 outside, you will get x minus 1 will be equal to 0. Again from these two terms, you can take x minus 1 common, you will get x minus 2 will be equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 2 will be equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 or 2. X equal to 1 and 2. That's the answer we got here. Okay? Because here two factors are with a negative sign. Therefore, whenever it comes for the final answer, both will become positive. That is the answer we got. These steps, you have to try it for all the problems and you have to do it. Okay, dear children? No problem, we'll do it. One more, we'll solve it and we'll solve it. Okay. Today's last problem, you will get x minus 1 by x equal to 3. Okay. Here you have to take the LCM for the left hand side. You will get x square minus 1 divided by x equal to 3. Okay, dear children, now you have to cross multiply here. If you cross multiply, you will get x square minus 1 equal to 3x. 3 into x, you will get 3x. Bring this 3x to this side, therefore you will get x square minus 3x minus 1 will be equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This quadratic equation, it can't be solved by using what? Factorization method. We have to use the formula method. Okay. Therefore, the formula it is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. Okay. Therefore, from this quadratic equation, you have to take the values a value, b value, and c value. What is the a value here? A equal to 1, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, and c equal to minus 1. Okay, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, and c equal to minus 1. Just substitute in the equation, you will get the answer. Therefore, you will get x is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 full divided by, you will get 2 into 1. Okay children, most of the children will make mistakes here. Actually this line must start from here and end here. Some students, what you do is, you mark like this, minus of minus 3 plus or minus the root is the wrong. You write like this, it is the wrong. Okay, it is the wrong one. Okay, you have to start this line from here and you have to end it here. Full, numerator full is divided by the denominator. Okay, therefore here minus into minus, you will get plus 3 plus or minus square root of, here you will get 9 plus 4. Minus into minus, you will get plus 4 divided by 2. Therefore, you will get 3 plus or minus square root of 13 divided by 2. Therefore, you take the positive sign, you will get one root. If you take the negative sign, you will get another root. Okay. Therefore, we will get the first root is 3 plus root of 13 divided by 2, and another root is 3 minus root of 13 divided by 2. Therefore, we get two roots here. Okay, dear children. Therefore, these types of problems, solve for x is a very, very important one. You try to solve it. Some more problems are there in the textbook. Example problems are there. Try to solve it and try to get the answers and try to get good marks in mathematics. Okay. Today we have solved all these problems. Practice this nicely and try to get very good marks in your 7 exams. Bye bye. Take care.